In 2017, Apple removed the numerical battery percentage from the icon in the top right-hand corner on iPhone due to limited space. Many reported frustration at the time, but luckily in 2022, a new setting was released with iOS 16, allowing it to be added back manually. Today we're going to walk through the steps to turn that on and also take a look at the battery widget, which is another feature that displays battery information in a larger format right on your home screen. For this video, I'm using iOS 26.2.1, and I'd recommend ensuring your phone is up to date. Let us know in the comments if you'd like a separate tutorial showing you how to do so. Let's get started. From the home screen, open the Settings app. Then select Battery. First up, you will see some general statistics about your iPhone's battery and how it's used. Scroll to the bottom of the page where you'll find an option for battery percentage. Tap the button on the right-hand side to toggle this feature on. You'll notice that the battery percentage appears immediately inside the battery icon at the top of the screen. Since 2020, with the release of iOS 14, we can also add a battery widget to our home screen. To do this, start by pressing and holding one finger on a blank area of the home screen until the icons start moving, about 1 second. Next, tap Edit in the top left corner, then select Add Widget. From here, we could browse through all of the available widgets based on the apps installed on my phone, but for now, we're just going to search for the Batteries widget. There are 3 sizes to choose from, whereby the larger designs display more information. Once you've chosen, tap Add Widget to place it onto the home screen. Now we can see battery icons and percentages for my Apple devices right from the home screen. If I decided that maybe this size wasn't the right choice, I can press and hold one finger on the widget itself to access the widget settings. The 3 icons along the top correspond to the 3 widget sizes we saw earlier, which we can tap to switch between. At the bottom of the menu, there's an option to remove the widget from the home screen. And if we select Edit Home Screen, our icons will begin moving again, indicating that we're in edit mode. I'm going to then tap and drag the handle in the bottom right corner of the widget until I'm happy with the size. Let us know in the comments if this video helped you, and check out the rest of our channel to keep learning. If you could also like this video and subscribe to the channel, it would be very much appreciated.